Hey guys, it's Will and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I've had a couple of people request how to make a leather strop. Now this is something that is actually really simple to make. All a strop is a piece of, in this case, leather with some polishing compound, and you're moving your blade back and forwards on it, and it strops, so it polishes that edge into a really nice sharp angle. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do it. In this particular video I'm going to be showing you how to do it with a piece of walnut wood, which I absolutely love, and just some standard veg tan. I think it's 3 or 4 mil, you'll see in a minute. But it doesn't need to be anything fancy at all. In fact, you don't even need the wood, you could just put the compound on the leather, and I'll show you how to do that in a moment. But the wood helps keep it completely flat and gives you something more sturdy to hold on to. So let's dive straight in, shall we, and get this done. Alright, so for the strop we're going to be using this piece of wood. It is about 2 centimeters thick. The one I'm using is quite a big one because I want lots of surface area, and it is 10.5 by 30. That's the size of this one, so it's quite big. It'd be good for kitchen knives or something, but I want a big surface area for lots of space for my knives. But you can make it with whatever size you'd like. So the first thing I'm going to do is take some sandpaper, because this is quite smooth. This is walnut, but I'd recommend using a hardwood for this. So I'm going to take some 320 grit and I'm going to rough up the surface so that it takes the glue nicely. There we go. So I'm now that's all roughed up, it's still quite smooth, but it's rough enough that the glue will adhere properly. I'm going to get the leather and show you what we're going to do next. So I'm going to be using this. It's just a normal veg tan leather. It's quite thick. This one is between 3 and 4 mil, where it is that I'm using. I'm just going to trace out roughly the size of the board so I can make a rough cut. Doesn't have to be accurate at this point because we're going to trim it afterwards. This is just so that we can get a more manageable piece of leather. Alright, so now we've got the piece of leather. We're going to place our board on top of it, and we're going to trace out that size. First, we need to scuff up this side and scuff up this side. Now that's all scuffed up, we're going to get some glue and we're going to put our first coat down. We're probably going to do 2 coats of glue for the best adhesion. I'm going to set that aside and put some glue on the wood now. And set that aside as well, and we'll be back in a minute when that's all dry. I've cut it 5mm around each edge. And there we go, now we just got to trim it up. I've now loaded this with compound. I'm going to heat it up so it goes into the fibres, but you're more than welcome just to use it as it is here. But that's pretty much done. Made a little boo-boo with my logo. It's a bit off centre, but that's more for me than for anyone else. There we go. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I know it was a short one and probably quite easy, but it's a tool that you can make yourself at home, and so you don't need to spend money on a strop because it's not necessary at all. I can't remember the name of the polishing compound, but if I can find it, I will put it into the description. It may be an affiliate link depending on where I find it. So just so you know, that does give me a little bit of a kickback. And I hope this is really useful to you guys. Have a really good day and I look forward to seeing you next time.